Hey, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Matt, and today I'm going to show you guys how to clean up an audio track using Podcastle's AI Magic Dust feature. This is a really cool feature because what it does is it allows you to just take a project, any project, just going to drop this MP4 in, and it's going to clean up the audio for me. So it's basically going to analyze it and make it sound a lot better than what it does normally. So actually what I'll do is I'll show you how the track sounds of what I'm currently working on, but I'll also jump between the audio between this actual video that I'm making right now and the finalized product. So you'll get to hear both. I think that's pretty cool, actually. All right, so we've got our track here. So this is our Magic Dust track. And this is our original track, original. And we'll just play the original just so you could hear what it sounded like. Started here. Really cool tool because you can pretty much do anything with it. You can edit with it. You can clean up audio, do all kinds of cool stuff. Now we're going to switch to the other track, which has been quote unquote fixed. You can edit with it. You can clean up audio, do all kinds of cool stuff. I'm showing you the free plan here. So you've got about 3 hours of audio you can put into it. Plan here. So you've got about 3 hours of audio you can put into it. And of course, since it's a free tier, you can delete stuff as you go and just continue to use the free version. So anyway, so we've got our file here. This is a WAV file. You can hit export. Get it in whatever audio format that you pretty much need. I'm going to choose FLAC because it's lossless. And we're just going to hit export. Going to wait for this to prepare. And then we're going to get our download. Overall, it's super easy to use. Very cheap. You can even do the free plan for a week and cancel it before it's done. And you're going to get some great audio. As you can tell between the original audio from my mic and the post-processed version, you can tell that it actually does a really good job at cleaning up the sound. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Make sure you check out my other videos. I've got a lot of tutorials coming out. I'm going to show you guys how to do some really high-end post-processing.